Hello everyone, you're welcome back to NG Styles Kitchen. Do you know you can actually make bitter leaf soup using peanuts as the thickener? Yes, and it tastes so delicious. Let me show you how. So to make this, you start by cooking the meat. I'm using goat meat, beef tripe, and some smoked turkey. You can use any protein of your choice. This meat is thoroughly cooked, as you can see. So next, I will go in with some water, enough to cook the soup. Then I will be adding some stockfish. I'm using stockfish fillet in this recipe. Then I went in with some thoroughly washed and deboned smoked catfish. So next I'll be adding some ground crayfish, about 2 tablespoons. Then next I added some ground hairy fish, about 2 tablespoons also. Then add some ground smoked shrimp. It's optional. Then I added some Cameroon pepper for the flavor. Go in with some ehuru, which is also known as nutmeg calabash or calabash nutmeg, whatever. Then next I added some ground ukpei, which is locust bean. Then added some uziza, some ground uziza seed powder. Yeah. Then next I will be adding some green chili pepper. Add yellow habanero pepper. It brings out the flavor and the aroma of this dish. And then added some stock cube or seasoning cubes. I'm using Maggi Star. Then I added a little palm oil. Just the soup we are making, remember we are using peanuts as the thickener, and peanut already contains enough oil in it, so just use a little palm oil just for the color, just to give the for the look of the food. If not, this soup doesn't even need oil. It's just that we need our soup to look good in the eye. So I'm going to give it a good stir, making sure all the ingredients is well combined. Then I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. So while it's cooking, here is the peanuts roasted by me. I'm going to give it a good grind now. So after about 10 minutes, here we go. It's time to add the freshly grounded peanuts. So that's my peanuts. Add the peanuts and then mix properly. We're gonna mix it until it's smooth. Just gradually. So yeah, let the texture be this way. So I love this texture. If you want yours to be more watery, you can add more water. If you want it more thicker, add more peanuts, more thickener. So I'm going to cover it and let it cook for about 5 minutes. So after about 5 minutes, this is what we get. Yeah. So next I will be adding some frozen uziza leaf. Yes, so that's what we can get our hands on here. Then next I go in with my washed bitter leaf. I'm gonna give it a good stir, making sure everything is well mixed and combined. Yeah. So after that, I allow it to cook for about 3 minutes. Test for salt. Added some salt to it. Allow it to cook for another 2 minutes. Like stir it for about 1 minute to 2 minutes, and that is it. The soup is ready. As you can see, I love my bitter leaf soup to be thick. Yes. So serve and enjoy. You can enjoy this with any swallow of your choice. Yes, it goes with oatmeal swallow, apple, um, pounded yam, any swallow of your choice. You can even use it to eat rice. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.